Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the dynamic lock screen not working. Okay, so in this device, you can see I already enabled the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. You can see the changing automatically every time. Right, so if you're facing the issue, the dynamic lock screen wallpaper not working issue, simply first of all, you need to check whether you are connected to internet. Okay, and after this one, simply enable dynamic lock screen wallpaper. For this, go to settings, wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper, scroll down, select the option dynamic lock screen, and you need to select up to 5 categories. Okay, if wallpaper are not changing automatically, a software issue or disabled service may be caused. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Simply in this way, we can fix the dynamic lock screen not working issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.